Marcel here. It's nice, hot and sunny here in Las Vegas. And we are visiting the Las Vegas farm today. If you want to pick your fruits, fresh fruit and vegetable, you want to come here early in the morning. I think they open from 8 to 10. So if you come here at 10, you'll be locked at the gate. So let's go check it out. We are going to eat some fresh fruit today. Alright guys, so this is the farm, Gilcrease Orchard. Open Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Oh, 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. Alright guys, so let's go and pick some fruits. Alright guys, so look at this beautiful place. They're gonna close in half hour, so
Hi, how'd you make out? Looks like good.
there you go. They have all kinds of peach, apple, squash, cucumber, sunflower.
Thank you.
So we just grab one of this cart.
Yeah, you can use
Okay.
absolutely.
Alright, we are grabbing this one cart right here. My friend is assisting me. This is gonna be a fun day, guys. Fun day. Alright, here. This is a beautiful orchard. Look at these apples, guys. Here we go. I guess this is not ready yet. Alright, it's beautiful. Today is just hot, but it's okay, guys. It's summer. Look at all these people having fun. A family fun time. How apple grow, how an apple grows. Look at that. All right, moving on. So when do we know which one to pick? How do we know?
A lot of apples on there.
I mean, is this ready to pick? How do you know? How do we know? Let's ask this guy. Hi, excuse me. This is our first time coming here. How do we know which one is ripe?
No, the cone, those two cones, that aisle, I think that's the ones that's right.
Oh, so it's not here?
Yeah, those two orange cones.
Ah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Also, over here, it's not ready yet?
I don't think so.
We don't know what we're doing.
You must have there for like to let you.
And they give you a bag there?
When I first
Did you-
got here, that's what they told me.
Oh, okay.
The orange line right there.
Yeah.
I think the farther you go to the middle, that's what you pick from.
Okay, thank you. All right, we have no idea what we're doing here, so look at this huge orchard farm here in Las Vegas. I'm walking a little faster. Hello. I'm walking a little faster because they're closing in half hour. So I want to be able to pick some fruits before they close. They also have pomegranate. I also have this in my farm in the Philippines. This is a pomegranate farm here now. Right, moving along.
Were the apples from back there?
Now this is pomegranate now. So I don't know where to give you a bag. I don't know when we're supposed to pick. I don't know. Ooh, where do we go? They also have like a little canteen here where you can order food. It's fun. All right, so I don't know what else to do from here.
Chicken coop.
Like, you know, like the trailer that we put all the stuff on the end? It exists. No, not even that. But I was, the thing that was scaring me the most is I would.
Let's go pick some fruits. Oh my God. We got chickens here. Wow, look at these chickens. All right, guys, so these are pears. All right, here we go. Nectarines. I don't know. I don't like nectarines. I don't know why. Look at this beautiful tree full of fruits. Ooh. All right, guys, so look at all these fruits. And are we allowed to sample this one? Not sure, but let's taste. Mmm. Wow, very sweet. Alright guys, this is fun. You know guys, there is a difference from eating fruit from the tree and buying it from the store, you know. I don't know how much it is a pound, but this is very, very sweet. I can just get used to. Oh, a lot of fruits are falling down. Oh guys, this is fun. So I mean, wow guys, this is amazing. It's a lot of things are already dropping on the floor. I never like to eat peaches, but I'm gonna show you how sweet this is. Look at this nice sweet fruit. Mmm. It's really nice and juicy. Oh guys. guys, this is fun. So I mean, wow, guys, this is amazing. It's a lot of things are already dropping on the floor. Never like to eat peaches, but I'm gonna show you how sweet this. Never like to eat peaches, but I'm gonna show you how sweet this is. Look at this nice. Oh my goodness, it's just so lovely. Look at this beautiful orchard. Apples, peaches, you get all kinds of fruits. Of course, you don't want to pick the fruits that's already ripe, because once you pick this, you have to eat it right away. So you want to pick some fruits that's not quite ready yet.
Pick whatever you want to pick. Pick whatever looks good. And honestly, these are maybe like, I'm not gonna just like a little bit further this way. There's like 5 or 6 rows, and they were like really big. I mean, I'm not a, I don't really. I just say they look pretty.
Yeah.
Let me just say they look pretty.
Okay,
That's
thank
what I'll
you.
say.
We'll go. Yeah, thank you.
Yep, have fun.
All right.
So are they done picking? It's beautiful, guys. I mean, there's just so many. This is the best. Oh my goodness, this is so juicy. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that's eating fruit here right now. Wow. Look at this. Look at this beautiful tree that, you know, like a single little tree. You know, and you might think it's cute and all, but all the work that they put in here, pruning and maintaining to water this tree, it's a lot of work. But the reason why they're so small like this and they produce a lot of fruit, that's because you have to prune it properly. If you don't know what you're doing, go up to like really high, so you had to be able to prune it properly the right way. So that's why they want to keep it short, so people can just pick and you don't have to reach so high. It's nice and sweet. Wow. We are done picking up fruits today. We pick a lot of fresh fruits, and what I'm gonna do with this, I'm going to dry it so it will not get rotten. It's better if you hydrate the fruits and just eat it for snacks. Very healthy. It's already sweet, so you don't even need to put any kind of sugar. And check this out, guys. I think I am going to work here. I always have the passion of being in the orchard since I was little, so this will be like a great experience for me here, even though it's not my first time being in the orchard, but it's my first time being here in Las Vegas. I'm gonna fill out this form and I'm gonna try to work here, guys. Seriously, I am going to try to work here. So I just need to fill out this form and bring this application tomorrow, and I hope I will get hired on the spot, and I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna get back in the car because it's getting really hot, but you know, it's beautiful, guys. So like I said, if you try to come here, they are open from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and there is a parking here, so you don't even have to worry about finding a parking. This is a lot better than buying it from the stores. Fresh fruit. Alright guys, this is Maria's mini series. Thank you so much for watching. Wish me good luck. I hope I get a position here, because having a vineyard in the Philippines, this will give me an opportunity to expand my knowledge when it comes to planting fruits and taking care of everything that you need in the orchard. I mean, guys, it's not easy just to plant. There are a lot of techniques and procedures that you have to follow in having an orchard. It's not easy, but I think it's very rewarding. It's very rewarding once you get all the fruits that you want to pick and eat. Isn't that healthy, guys? Alright guys, I'm gonna head back in the car. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Wow, what a beautiful day, guys. Even though it is hot in Vegas, right now it's about 112 degrees Fahrenheit. Is going to go up. That's the reason why this orchard is only open during the summer from 7 a.m. to 10. But I think during the winter, I'm not sure if they have the same hours. So if you're trying to come here and you want to just tour around, just Google it and get all the information. I'm pretty sure they have the phone number there. But like I was showing you guys earlier, I got an application. So I'm so excited. I think this will be a good experience for me to work at the orchards. This will be a good experience for me to work in the orchard, so I can learn the many different techniques how to prune your fruit trees properly, because a lot of people, once they plant the fruits and buy it from the nursery, that's it. They don't know what else to do. But there are many different techniques in pruning it properly, what branches you need to take out and keep so they don't grow that high. Well, I'm gonna fill up the application and I hope to get the job. So guys, wish me luck. This is gonna be fun. I don't even care how much they are going to pay me. Seriously, I am here for the experience. So guys, when you're looking for a job, find your passion and learn as much as you can while you have the opportunity, because because if that is your passion, you can adapt that techniques into whatever you're trying to expand, you know. So here you go guys, it's beautiful. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.